If you want to automate your sales process and create a sales order using Zoho CRM in n8n, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, fast, and practical way. This is especially useful if you're building workflows that need to generate orders automatically from leads, deals, forms, or any other trigger inside n8n. So, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more n8n and automation tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the workflow you want to work on inside n8n. Once you're inside the correct workflow, you can begin adding the Zoho CRM action that will handle the sales order creation. Now go to the Nodes panel and search for Zoho CRM. When you see the Zoho CRM node, click it to add it to your workflow. This node is what allows n8n to connect with your Zoho CRM account and perform CRM actions automatically. After adding the node, you'll need to choose the action you want. In this case, select Create a Sales Order. This tells n8n exactly what you want the workflow to do inside Zoho CRM. Once the sales order action is selected, you can begin configuring the details based on your use case. This is where you set up the information you want to send into Zoho CRM, such as the order data, customer details, and any other fields required by your workflow. Make sure you map the values correctly from previous nodes if you're using data from forms, triggers, or other automation steps. If your workflow already collects information earlier on, you can connect those outputs directly into the sales order fields here. That way, the process becomes fully automated and you don't have to enter anything manually. Take a moment to review the configuration carefully before saving or testing the node. Once everything is set the way you want, your n8n workflow will be ready to create a sales order in Zoho CRM automatically whenever the workflow runs. And that's it. You've now seen how to create a sales order using Zoho CRM in n8n. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next automation tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.